Hey guys, I'm going to show how to reflow a micro SD connector using hot air. So first thing is applying some paste. I have solder paste in a kind of syringe thing, so let's do this. It's very important to put not much at all. Let's see here. I don't really care about bridging the pads because the solder paste, so the green stuff, can reject the solder, as you'll see. Looks pretty good. And then let's do the corners. Just want to stick with it. Stick a toothpick and clean this up a little bit. It's pretty good. I'm gonna put some Flux as well. This is kind of a gel type. Probably not absolutely necessary, but it's gonna help with the pads not being connected. The solder paste already contains Flux, but less rework later. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's take the connector. Place it with some tweezers. Stick it down. Try to align it as good as possible. It's not super critical, but take it down so it's all connected. Okay, pretty good. Take the hot air. First, gonna heat up this a little bit, so that's gonna activate the flux, which is gonna clean up the crap so it sticks better. You can see the flux moving. Quite good, so let's go in and reflow those pads. You can see that solder is kind of reflowing really nicely. From the top as well. looks pretty good. And let's do the back side here. And that's it. That's a micro SD connector.